Hello guys, welcome to a new video today. And today we are in Valpoi and we are in search of some trails. So not going to do much walking today like the last time's vlog where we were searching for a waterfall and we had got lost. So if you haven't checked that out, please go and do it. There is Viraj and Shweta again. So yeah, let's go. Riding through this beautiful village, drifting a little bit, but yeah, it's manageable right now. Sun has also come out slightly, nice and green. Good weather, I think. Wow. So now got a good view, nice and open. It's really beautiful. Slight off-roading has already begun. It's going to get even more crazy ahead. Also. You stand and ride. Quite comfortable standing and riding on these roads. That was quite a splash. So we are making a road over here. You can see that part of the road they have put this pavement. So hopefully there's a good road here in a few years maybe. Yeah. Yeah, so now the off-road has started. Going to get quite tricky now. Have to be careful. The mud is quite soft. That makes it a little more tricky actually because the tire just goes and gets stuck. And stop in the middle where you lose momentum. I think the bike banged somewhere pretty hard. So I'll wait for Prithviraj now. He needs some help. Not sure what hit, but yeah, something did. Right now, right now I'm just abusing the bike. Oh, this is a tricky section. Have to be careful. did a mistake by stopping actually. And yeah. Yeah. Nice. Cross a small stream. Yeah, boy. Flow of the water is quite strong, and I think, yeah, we don't have to cross this. It's quite pretty. Oh yeah, we do have to cross this. Yeah. Huh? त्या साइडीन ब्रिज कसो आसा पूण म्हाका दिसना थंयच्यान बायक वता. I think it's a little deep, so just going to inspect because I haven't done this much of shit before. So I just need to check actually how deep is it. So we collected some water. I think we are not going to cross that.
Yes.
आमची फुटलेली आसा. Very risky. Camera on आसा.
If we had a bigger team, I think
Yeah, we would have.
Yeah.
But our team is limited right now.
You can consider only two of us.
And even our courage is limited.
Limbu.
Yeah, one person is Kacha Limbu right now. And next time maybe let's see, we'll try and go this way if we can find something. Or we go Ghara. Tu thoi tra? Ah. Okay, so we've decided that we are going to take a small detour and try and cross the stream. So Prithviraj has checked, not that deep, but the flow is little strong. So he's going to guide me. But let's see, yeah. Hope everything goes well. Wish me luck. कसं? The tire is losing traction. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Finally. After so much thinking. Yes. After so much deliberation and thinking for so long. Whether to go or no. Finally done it. Now it's time to help Prithviraj get his bike. Yeah. आणि ॲक्सेलरेट कर आणि चल आता सुटली आणि पुश कर ना फक्त So yeah, we finally crossed the water stream after much discussion. Wasn't as difficult as it looked initially. Just had to gather some courage. And now we're headed further. Let's see. Go. The shoes are filled with water. Not going to empty them now because while going again, they're going to get filled. I think this is a dead end right here because I cannot see anything. It's a dead end over here. Just walk and see what can we find. So the temple that we wanted to visit, here you can see the arrow. It's actually on the other side, but there's another huge water crossing over here, and definitely we are not doing this one. We want to go home alive for lunch. Mom has prepared some good fish. So yeah, we'll have to head back. But it was good the ride till here. So we're going to wait and click some pictures over here and catch you after a few minutes. So hey guys, we couldn't cross the water stream, so we just chilled over there for some time, clicked some pictures, and yeah, now we're headed back home. So probably the vlog is going to end here, and yeah, catch you some other day on a new vlog. Bye bye.